Dobro dan. Hey, it's Eric, and we're in Belgrade. We're in Serbia, and we're gonna go for a walk. I'm actually leaving the city center area, and we're going over to go see a butcher in Russia. Yeah, it's Friday, December 19th, and it's like 6 degrees Celsius out, and it's about 1:30, and it's really hazy out. Not foggy per se, it's hazy. It's like being in Pasadena or something. Yeah, the air quality in Serbia, it's not always so good, and it's funny, it's on cold days, it seems to trap the air. That's where I got my haircut last. What kind of goodies they have here. Yeah, I'm using my GoPro again today. I actually like how this handles panning better than my phone, although my phone makes a better still shot for sure. And it also it handles dark, I mean, no light situations much better. I think later today we're gonna go take my phone. We're gonna take a little walk to the city center when the lights are on. Nothing reminds me of Christmas more, huh? Oh, the tram was all Christmassy. So we're going, not so far, but it's about 15 minutes maybe of walking. So I can already hear a street musician here. Wow, that's beautiful. They have a big bass speaker. I have to obey the street lights here, especially on the video. I don't want to lower my social credit score. Yeah, it's really hazy out. I don't like that. Now, this is an agricultural country, and they do burn fields here. I mean, they do everywhere, right? I remember in Idaho, it wouldn't take much. I mean, literally one burning field would smoke out the whole valley. This is a coffee roaster. Only once did I go in there. It smells great. I buy the cheaper coffee. Store bought. Yeah, coffee's like, the one I get is under $5. It's between 3 and 5. Actually, more like 3 and 4. And that lasts me 2 weeks. It's that really super fine espresso grind to make, you know, Turkish style coffee. Local musicians. There's a lot of music academies here. I shouldn't say a lot. There's definitely one near my house, so I see often, you know, students carrying their instruments. All that. Everything's passed already. Old stuff. So I'm going to a butcher shop. They don't always have beef everywhere. I mean, pork is the main meat here. But I go to this one because, one, I know they have it, and two, I'm a creature of habit, and I go places where I'm comfortable. So, this is interesting. It's pretty antique looking. Yeah, I hope they renovate this and don't just tear it down, but chances are there's a serious lock. Don't go in there. There's a lot of casinos here. Balkan Bet, Mozart. I've yet to go inside of one. Gambling would be more fun if you won. Maybe I've been fortunate not to win, so I'm not interested. So look what happens here. So the light changes and people just go. I mean, in America that would never happen. In America, I think pedestrians, for the most part, will let a car go through. But here, they'll like step out right in front of a vehicle. Different mentality. So like, look at these cars, they're coming. I have the green light. Me. There's the old F NATO. See, green hair, it's not just the thing in America. It's a Western thing. Look at this old bike. I think it's cool. Yeah, so when I was young, I'm 57, we would call blue hairs, that was like a derogatory term for old people. How things have changed. Blue hair now is absolutely a young person thing. It's interesting how things just, change. It's an LED store across the street. So you see a lot of these iron grates on the ground here and there, and I've always been advised don't step on them. I guess bad things have happened and people have fallen in. Unheard of in the US, because people sue. Here it'd be like, you dumbass. So this Kafana here, they have themselves all set up for Christmas. They have lights going. A beautiful tree. I think that might be the same tree from last year. It's a live tree. It's perfect. Saint Nick, which, by the way, today, if you follow your saint days, today is actually Saint Nicolaus's day. So for Serbs, they have a slava, and if that's your saint, and honestly, I don't know how one is assigned a saint. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. If you know, please tell me. Bleep bloop it down below. But so people are actually enjoying a Slava today. I have a friend that is. It's basically an honorary gathering party in commemoration of Saint Nicholas. Look at this place with the garland. That's live garland too. That's a